Jodak e kaonti ma Siaya koro nyalo bedo gi adier ni dwaro magi duto mabende otenore gi chenro mag dongruok onyuandi e bajet ma olieki mar omenda mar higa mar 2025-2026. Jakom mar komiti mar bajet e od bura mamalo Samuel Atandi owacho ni chenro mag dongruok mag kaonti ma Siaya osechan maber e bwo seneta mar kaonti no Laktar Oburu Oginga.
Last week, there was debate about Siaya leaders going to see the president. And I want to tell you that even if you don't see the president as a team, we always meet under the chairmanship of Dr. Oburu Oginga. And before this budget was tabled in Parliament, we had various consultative meetings with Dr. Oburu Oginga. And I want to assure Siaya people that your issues have been captured in the budget estimates around before Parliament.
Atandi mabende en jaod bura ma Lego Usonga wacho ni kata doko ni gavana mar kaunti ma Siaya James Orengo oksir sirikand manyuanda kata broad based government gin kaka jotelo ma oke kaunti ma Siaya to pod gibro medo tiyo kod piny owacho ne dongruok mar kaunti no.
So whether somebody does not want to see the president, whether somebody says it is a right to get development, you cannot get development if your people are not there to see whether those development projects are going to be put in the budget. So I want to remind those leaders from Siaya, because if you go to Migori, if you go to Homa Bay, if you go to Kisumu, we don't hear some statements that come from this side. Those people who believe that development can just travel from Nairobi to here without leadership, without people presiding and negotiating for them, we want to tell you that those developments will never come. If those development projects were your rights, how come we don't have them to date and we have 60 years since independence?
Atandi bende omedore olero ni kokalo kuom winjruok makare e bwo telo mar Laktar Oburu Oginga giseyudo omenda mabende bro konyo kaunti no ma Siaya e tieko gedo mag apeyini mabende osechunga kuom aminga.
So we want to say that we are committed. We are committed for the development of our region, and for some of us who have been lucky to have been given these positions by Baba, we want to say that we are not going to let you down. Dr. Buru, we met as you and Buddy and a few leaders from here, and we considered many development projects. Here, we are going to do so many roads, new roads. We are also going to complete the existing roads that have stalled. Most of those contractors have been paid, and we expect them to be on site to continue the projects.
Mane mabendo kelo giko mag weche manyien e yor